Hi guys, very good morning all of you. I hope all of you are doing great. And today I am here with a free study plan and a free test series for the students writing examinations in November 22. As I have promised, after the results, 10 days back, CA intermediate results got announced, and many students passed. They are happy. Some of the students failed. They are like, Pavan sir, we need some help and all. So immediately, what happens whenever the result comes? No, if you are not successful, first thing it hits is your confidence level and morale. So you'll have a very low self-esteem, low confidence level, and I don't put the word depression, but more or less the situation will be like that. So to come out of that, what you need is you need a mentor, or you need a friend, or you need a person who can push you little, like like starting trouble. Once you start and on the track, I'm very sure you'll be able to take care of yourself. So I have prepared a study plan that covers 92 days, that covers 100% of the syllabus of all the papers, whether you're writing group 1 or group 2 or both the groups. And also, every day there will be an exam which is absolutely free of cost. And this comprises almost 80 exams, including mock tests. So, including mock tests, you can write free of cost. So these exam question papers and answer papers will be given in CAP classes mobile application, and the schedules also will be given in CAP classes mobile application. You can download it whether you are Android user or iOS user. And also these things will be updated in our Telegram channel. So you can visit our Telegram study group or channel CAP classes, or you can get these things from our CAP classes mobile application. Everything is absolutely free of cost. But my dear friends, I'll tell you one thing. Like how whenever you want to do something, no, initially your energy levels will be high. So first few days you will be motivated and you will follow a plan properly. After that, I have talked to hundreds of, or probably thousands of students who are unsuccessful. They have one thing in common. You want to know what is that? They start with a lot of energy, but after a few days they lose the track. After 1 week, you are not the same person what you were 1 week back. So try to understand, the secret for success is consistency. I always give you two examples. If you remember, I always, if you see 500 YouTube videos of mine, maybe probably in 40-50 videos I might have told you this. I always take two categories of people. Who are they? One, an artist, whatever the art is. It could be drawing, it could be singing, it could be playing an instrument, it could be martial art. This is one. Second example is an athlete. An athlete, like it could be a footballer, it could be a cricketer. Try to understand one thing which is common in all these people: discipline, commitment, consistency. That is more important. That is more important. So next you have 90 days. Okay, I'm making this video on today's 30th July. This study plan is coming into effect on 1st August. Okay, so please download this, take a printout. It is just 2 bloody pages. Take a printout, paste it onto the wall. Every day without fail, you read that particular portion, write that particular exam. Let us see why ICI will not pass you this time. That should be our commitment. So write on your wall, write on a paper and paste it onto your wall. Sit like a rock, work like a clock. So you should have, a commitment which is like, die I shall. I'm ready to die, but I'm not ready to fail November 22 exam. This should be the commitment. And that commitment itself is not enough. You should follow it. You should walk what you talk. So sit like a rock, work like a clock. There is no other go. There is no other go. This time, foolproof. There is no risk of passing. There is no risk of not passing even by 1% if you follow this every day. But the only problem is, if you start good, the curve will be very high. After that few days, if the energy levels, enthusiasm, your dedication, commitment, if it is coming down eventually, my dear friend, I'm so sorry. CA course is tough for you. If someone asks me whether passing CA exams is difficult or easy, simple, it depends on your, your not intelligence, not hard work also. It depends on your consistency. It depends on consistency. I told you many times, again, I'm telling you, whenever I teach class of students, I try to assess them. Trust me, more than 60-70% of the students in the class have IQ above my IQ level. Can you believe it? 60 to 70% of the students, always in all classes on an average, they have IQ levels which is higher than my IQ level. Then what is the difference? Consistency. So let us not spend more time. Let us go and look at this. Oh my God. So this is for, I have prepared 3 schedules separately here. If you can see, CA enter both the groups November 22, CA enter group 1 November 22, CA enter group 2 November 22. So there are going to be 3 documents. Okay. And this is one among them. What is this? This says CAP classes study plan for CA inter group 1 November 22 students. I'll upload all the 3 documents. Whatever is relevant for you, you have to download that and you have to take a printout. Okay. So first understand when the program is starting. 1st August. So today is 30th July. So day after tomorrow it starts. Monday it starts. Okay. So enjoy today and tomorrow if you want. From Monday, I'm going to torture you, I'm telling you. From this study plan, when you paste it on the wall, out of the wall, I'll come. Okay. So, chalo, I'm not Lakshmi Narasimha Swami. I cannot come out of the wall. But you should be as dedicated as Prahlada. Okay. Chalo, anyway. So, 1st August, it is starting. So, if you see the subjects, I am rotating the subjects. Accounts, law, CMA. CMA stands for cost and management accounting. Taxation. Accounts, law, CMA, taxation. Accounts, law, CMA, taxation. So this is how you are going to read. Okay. So you can dedicate a day. I'm telling you, if you can give 3 to 4 hours in a day, quality of time, 3 to 4 hours, it is enough. Many students, when I have started this mentoring program, I think I have been doing this mentoring program since 2019 or 2018. So probably 7-8 batches I have covered, probably thousands of students I have covered. We'll give a SWOT analysis and student information report. It is called SIR, student information report, one Google form to students. Okay. Everybody writes, this is my 3rd attempt, this is my 4th attempt. And they say, I read 8 hours. I read 10 hours a day. I read 6 hours a day. With due respect to all of them, I am not criticizing anyone because I understand every student. I try to understand every student. With the due respect, introspect yourself. If you can read 6 hours to 8 hours to 10 hours to 14 hours a day, why will you fail 3-4 attempts? Simple. Either you are lying or you are studying ineffective. Your study is ineffective. That means quantity is there, quality is not there. 10 hours you are sitting in front of books, one problem of consolidation also is not completed. What to do? Isn't it? So, first day you will start with accounts, 3 to 4 hours, my dear friend. If you are studying single group, 3 to 4 hours is enough. If you are studying both the groups, 8 to 10 hours. Okay. Many students are asking a question to me, maybe probably 200, 300 queries might have come only on this particular question. Pavan sir, I failed so and so group in May. Shall I write both the groups in November? The answer is no. No. Pavan sir, I got 150 in my first attempt in a single group. So shall I give both the groups? Because I have completely covered all the first group subjects. Boss, if you have completely covered first group subjects, why did you fail? Please try to understand. Don't pressurize yourself. This is how you mount pressure. You put, unnecessary burden on your head. And then you say, Pavan sir, I am burdened. Pavan sir, I am stressed. Idiot, you are making yourself single group. Nothing is going to happen in next 6 months. Okay. This kind of 6 months, how many 6 months I have seen in my life? How many 6 months you have seen in your life? So your family members told you, your brother told you, your friend told you, your lecturer told you. No. Happily try to assess yourself. Try to assess. Genuinely, if you feel like you cannot do both the groups, then don't do both the groups. Confidence is more important. Imagine you have failed 3-4 times. How screwed up your mind and heart would be. If you do not know, my dear friend, I'm telling you, you are already in kind of a numbness or depression you call. You have to come out of that. So I suggest strongly, if you cannot handle both the groups, write single group. Nothing will happen. The world is not coming to an end after this November exams. Comfortably, aramse, you can write another group next May. Because I'm telling you, what you need at this point is momentum. You should start. You should see pass in the certificate. What if you write both the groups and you fail both the groups? That is unnecessary headache again. So I have seen people, they write first group, fail. After that, both the groups fail. After that, they write second group because they focused more on the second group in the previous attempt. What about first group? Gone. Okay. So now if you look at the plan, accounts will do accounting standards, then law will do preliminary first chapter, CMA first chapter, introduction to CMA, taxation first chapter. Then if it is not continuing, for example, look law here, preliminary, next day, again, when law is coming, there is a new topic, not same topic. If this is the case, on this day itself, you'll have to write exam. Because next law day, that means 6th August, you'll write exam in incorporation of company. But some chapters which are very big, I'll give 2-3 days. For example, you look at accounting standards here. This accounting standards you are doing here also. So when this accounting standards schedule is over, then you write exam. For example, if you look at next accounts day, there is no accounting standards. That means accounting standards you will do on 1st August and balance accounting standards you will do on 5th August because there are many accounting standards. So you'll write exam in accounting standards on 5th August only. You will not write on 1st August. Okay, but these are rare cases. If you look at in 90% of cases, topics will not repeat. And I have developed this study plan in lines with ICAI study plans. This is different from our previous study plans. It is not like, previous study plan, copy paste contents and change dates. No, there are huge differences. There are huge differences. And this particular plan, I personally believe will be very effective. This will be very effective. So if you look at like this rotating, we are rotating subjects. Don't read, one subject for 15-20 days unless you are mentored for that. If you are told for that, then it is fine. So this study plan is going 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, 60 days, 92-day study plan, my dear friends, up to 31st October. And after that, within 2 days, you'll write CA main exams. Pavan sir, will I be able to do? Hello, see how much of time I have given for revision. In 80 days from today, if you start 80 days, 79th day, you are completing the whole syllabus. 4 papers you are completing. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. 1 week, almost 6 days I have given for revision. Revision. Whatever backlogs are there, that you can complete. Revision you can do. Then I'm putting mock test in the reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4 papers, no? 4, 3, 2, 1 mock test you'll write in reverse order. So that the day when you complete mock test on 92nd day, next day you are writing accounts exam, no? See how creative and smart I am. So, jokes apart, if you look here, 25th October, you're writing tax. 27th October, you're writing cost and management accountancy, mock test, 100 marks, ICI pattern. Then you're writing law, then you're writing accounts. So 31st, when you write accounts, first, again, you prepare accounts. Second, you will write accounts ICI exam. How effective you will be. And how many exams you're writing in between, how many exams you're writing in between, See, CMA, if you take, for example, introduction to CMA, one exam, material cost, one exam, employee cost, one exam, overheads, one exam, overheads 2 days, because big topic, no overheads I have given 2 days, but one exam. Then activity based costing, one exam, cost sheet, one exam, cost accounting system, one exam, 31st serial number. Then again 35th serial number, unit costing, batch costing, one exam, 39th serial number, job and contract costing, one exam. Then process and operating costing, one exam. Process and operating costing I have given 2 days, because big topic. Then next exam will be on joint and byproducts. Next exam will be on service costing. Next exam, service costing I have given 2 days, because big topic again. Then standard costing, 2 days, one exam. Marginal costing, 2 days, one exam. Budgetary control, 2 days, one. My dear friends, you have written 14 exams. And then mock test. So can you believe, all these are new question papers. These are not old question papers. So I and my academic team, we are developing how many question papers, 120 question papers and 16 mock test papers. Why 120? On an average, every subject we are conducting 14-15 exams. 8 subjects. Both the groups, 8 subjects. 8 subjects into 15, how much? 120. 120 chapter-wise exams, which will be for 30-35 marks, plus mock test 100 marks. 2 sets we are preparing. This, my dear friend, is absolutely free of cost. Everything free of cost. I have seen some of the portals, especially from north, not from south. I have not seen much from south, especially from north. They conduct examinations, 2 exams, 50% syllabus, 1 exam, 50% syllabus, 1 exam, then 100% mock exam. Total 3 exams. They are charging 1,299 rupees per paper, 1,599 rupees per paper, 800 rupees per paper, 500 rupees per paper. I'm like, are you kidding? I have decided I'll give everything free of cost. And that too, I'll not conduct one exam, 50% syllabus. No, chapter-wise exam. If you are learning, learn quite thoroughly. So this should be our foolproof study pattern, foolproof effort to crack November. So I am committed from my side. Are you committed? If you are committed from your side, my dear friend, I'm telling you, the study plan won't fail. The study plan won't fail. So it is something like, computer. Computer will never give you wrong answer unless you put rubbish in it. It works with a concept or a logic, GIGO, like LIFO, FIFO. There is a concept called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. So if you put garbage in computer's input, computer will give shitty answer. But if the input is, good, the process is always right. Because we have programmed it in such a way. The process, there won't be a mistake. So I have told you what to do, how to do, when to do. On a given day, what to study, everything I have given. So if you are not utilizing it, I don't have words to tell. So this is for group 1 students, and similarly for group 2 students also, we have made something similar. 1st August. Ye dekho. Till, 80th day, 79, 80th day, you are completing this, then revision 4-5 days, then mock test. And this mock test and group 1 mock test will not clash. For example, those who are writing both the groups, these gaps are there. In this gap, you will write the next group exam. So everything, with a lot of careful planning I have done. So there is a plan for single group 1 or group 2. There is a plan for both the groups. So my dear friends, I'm telling you, when someone is giving something free of cost, unfortunately, the mentality is like, there is a saying in consumer behavior also. If something is given to you free of cost, you will not respect it. You will not value it. Even my colleagues who are there in teaching for 10 years, 12 years, they called me and said, why do you give, anything and everything free? Last May exams, if you remember, I have put a concept of freebies. Last, 1 week, free classes. 100% premium content, like, in costing, we have 90 to 100 lectures, everything is free. You can watch in your mobile, you can watch in laptop. So when I have given this freebies, one of my colleagues from Bangalore, he called me and he started blasting me. Have you lost your brain? Even if you put 100 rupees, 500 rupees also, you'll be able to mobilize lakhs of rupees, because, in my portal, 8,500 students are there. And last time I have seen 27,000 of video streaming was done in this freebie classes. But my dear friend, mom's love is also free. God's blessings are also free, but we do not respect them. When I'm giving something free, I am valuing it. I am putting a lot of effort. If you value it, please follow the plan and pass. After passing, you don't even text me. You do not even need to inform me, Pavan sir, I have studied from your free classes, freebie video classes, or I have taken your free study plans, I have taken your free mentoring, I have taken your free test series, and I passed group 1, I passed group 2. You don't even need to tell me. I don't want to know what is the benefit of it. You go and tell your parents that, mom, I passed this time. That is enough for me. So please respect it. Please value it. Okay. And trust me, this definitely works. Okay. Because I have a lot of experience in teaching, student counseling. I myself, I'm a ranker. When I was a student also, I used to prepare a lot of study plans like this. So right from the student age, I used to prepare things like this. You ask, any normal person to make a study plan like this, to cover 8 papers, to cover these many subjects, to cover these many topics, these many chapters, group 1, group 2. It is not easy task. It is not an easy task, because we are experienced, and I have patience to put a lot of effort on it. So many hours of effort on it, I am able to develop it. So I request you, please be sincere in applying it. Please be serious. So I'll end up with a quote. Probably, maybe you'll be inspired. If not you, who can? If you cannot do it, who else can do it? If not you, who can? If not now, when will you? Get up. You have to do it now. You have the ability. If not you, who else can? If not now, when will you do it? Will you do it after getting 70 years of age? No. This is the time. November is the time. November 22 is the date. You have to crack the exams. So I am available here. You can contact me through social media. My WhatsApp number is there with you. My student support number is there with you. Cap classes, what is that called? iOS and Android application is there with you. So you can use all the free resources there. You can use study notes. You can use MCQ contests. How many MCQ contests I have conducted free of cost? Around 700 MCQ contests we have conducted. How many MCQ banks I have put? All these things are free of cost. So go to free resources and try to learn from it. Okay. So I wish you all the very best. Follow this. God bless you. Bye-bye.